Shemai! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Amser Gorffennol, which is the past tense with irregular verbs. Now yn Gymraeg, there are four, mae pedwar berf Afreolaidd. There are four irregular Welsh verbs, and they are mynd, to go, mynd, cael, to have, cael, gwneud, which is to make or to do, gwneud, and dod, to come or to arrive, dod. If you want to say something, if you want to say that you have done something, mynd changes to se. So they are irregular because they don't follow a normal pattern. Se. Se is I went. You could say se i'r gwaith. I went to work. Se i'r gwaith. Se i'r coleg. Dydd Llun. I went to college on Monday. Cael then is the second one, which changes to case e. Think of a suitcase. Case e. I had. So salad is salad. You could say case e salad. I had a salad. Hot chocolate. Case e chocolate poeth. Case e chocolate poeth. Of course, there are some mutations that tend to kick in sometimes. So after case e, the first letter changes on any word that follows. For example, P would go to B, P to B, T changes to D, K to G, T to th, like the English TH, th, B goes to V, G just disappears, would go to L, M goes to V, and R to R. So the 9 letters there. So if you wanted to say, I had a sandwich, brechdan is a sandwich, so the B would go to an V. Ces I frechdan. So a meeting is cyfarfod. Cyfarfod. So ces I gyfarfod gyda Basil. I had a meeting with Basil. Diolch cloc. Gwneud is the fourth verb. Gwnes I did, or I made. So gwnes I salad, I made a salad. Gwnes I adroddiad, I did a report. And then the mutation kicks in again after gwnes I. The same letter changes. So if you want to say, I made a drink, gwnes I ddiod. Gwnes I ddiod. I made a drink. If you made a mistake, oops, gwnes I gamgymeriad. The camgymeriad will change to gamgymeriad. So gwnes I ddiod, gwnes I gamgymeriad. So dod is the last one. Dod is to come or to arrive. Des I. Des I. So you could say, I came to work at 9 o'clock. Des I i'r coleg. I came to college am 9 o'r gloch. And then adre, towards home. You could say, I came home at 6 o'clock. Des I adre am 6 o'r gloch. Des I adre am 6 o'r gloch. Wedi drysu? Are you rather confused? And there are 4 easy ways to remember. Pedwar ffordd hawdd. Because they and the group of 4, they tend to follow each other in a pattern. So once you learn AC, for Casey, for Kyle, you just add a C. Casey. For gwneud, you add a gwn, gwnesi, and besi for dod. So you add the letter that the verb starts with. AC, Casey, gwnesi, desi. AC, Casey, desi, gwnesi. Or AC, Casey, gwnesi, desi. Iawn? Now, you can say anything in the past tense with irregular verbs. Da iawn. Hwyl am y tro.